Hey, what is up, my YouTube nerds? It's your coding bro, Mondo Man Codes here, bringing you my very first programming tutorial. This video consists of me showing you the basics of C and C++, and in the end we'll be coding a simple program. I have chosen C and C++ due to it being a simple language to learn for any newcomers out there that want to learn the fundamentals of computer programming. The first step is to download a software application that we can use to begin writing out our program. What I'll be using is a software known as Visual Studio. Link will be provided down below for anyone that's wanting to follow along. It's https visualstudio.microsoft.com. Screen like this will appear. Let's go to download Visual Studio Community 2019, which should automatically download us the installer. Okay, once that's done, click on that, hit yes, have it go through the installation wizard, yada yada. Once that's done, you should come across another screen with a whole, oh, there it is, Visual Studio and different components you want to install. You would want to install the desktop development with C++. Should be in this general area. Sorry that I wasn't able to show it to you guys. I've already installed Visual Studio 4. Okay, so once that's done, it'll just install the Visual Studio Community 2019 along with the different components you chose to install with it, and you'll see this screen here. It just wants you to reboot. Click restart, computer will reboot. Once that's the case, let's just go to Visual Studio 2019. When it during your first time, it'll ask you like different themes you want your Visual Studio to look like. I think there's light, different color, and then there's dark, and then some other themes. I just went with dark. It seems a lot more cleaner for me. Just go to create a new project. Let's do console app so we can actually see it in the console. And yeah, let's just keep the same name, console application 1. Let's hit create. And then we just wait for it to create the project along with all the necessary files for our program to run correctly. Okay. Hashtag include IOStream is mainly used for the CN, Cout, which CN is the input, so you can actually ask the user to input some data for your program to actually read and compute. Cout is pretty much just outputting certain strings or data to the console for us to see. You see this currently here, std out. What I am going to show you guys we could do using namespace std semicolon. We can actually take this out so we don't have to keep on continuously typing that. It's such a hassle. Okay, so let's do string greetings equals this is used to just to tell the program to tell them like, hey, let's go down a line. This is the end of the line pretty much. There are many ways variables to interpret data while coding. I'm just going to give you the basics. There's int and integers, which are whole numbers without any decimals. For example, 1256, 1234. Boolean variables, which store values with two states, true or false. Can't be both. Double variables are like int variables, like whole numbers, but they can store decimals, such as 34.65, 62.9, etc. String variables, which store text, like you see here, string greetings. Char or character variables, which stores single characters, for example, A or B or any other letter in the alphabet. For now, we'll be focusing on one type of variable, and further along, I'll teach you about the other variables and what they're used for. Okay, so we see cout here, which those are just operators, does well, and inserts the data, follows it into the output stream known as a cout. So cout comes from iostream, but with this, it tells the stream, hey, read this data coming right after that operator. Okay, we did string greetings. Now let's print that out. Cout greetings. Close it with the semicolon. Now both should print out the same content on the screen, but the second one prints out contents of the string variable greetings. Let's see here, it says run program control plus F5. Do that now. Takes a while, but yep, you see, hello world, hello world. Let's I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna put hello YouTube. Control S to save, and let's do Control F5 again. See, hello world, hello YouTube. Close that. Okay. I'm gonna show you the other variable I was talking to you guys about, the int variable. It's lowercase. Yeah, there you go. You don't know if it's uppercase or lowercase. You see here, int. It gives us the red underline. You just click here, int, and then it should be fixed. Int age. I'm currently 23. Say, go. Oh, my apologies. Int age 23. Okay, so let's do cout. Hello, my name is. And then if you keep on adding this operator, you can pretty much just attach more and more data that you want the cout to read. So let's do hello, my name is. Let's go here. Let's make another string. Name. Mondo Man codes. Okay. Attach it here. Hello, my name is, which will read what is stored in name. So hello, my name is Mondo Man codes. Space. I am currently, and then keep on adding age 23 years old. My bad. End L is another form of ending the line, which pretty much just tells the cout, like, hey, this is the end of this line. Let's go down to the second line, which I'm just going to do cout. This is my first programming tutorial. Close it. Okay, so if we did it correctly, it should say, hello world. Hello, my name is, what's stored in name, Mondo Man codes, or whatever you guys want to store, whatever you guys want to put in that variable. I am currently, then it goes to age, reads that, whatever value that's stored, years old, and then endl ends that current line. Then it reads cout. This is my first programming tutorial, or whatever you guys want to put down there. This is for simplicity. Okay, and let's run it. Well, first let's save it, Control S, Control F5. Okay, so hello world. Hello, my name is Mondo Man Codes. I am currently 23 years old. This is my first programming tutorial, and as we see, it works. And that's pretty much for my first tutorial there. I want to keep it simple for us and for you guys out there. I'll try to upload once every week around Saturday or Sunday. In the meantime, we'll be further expanding our knowledge on C, C++, as well as learning other languages in the distant future. Pretty much give me your feedback if you want to learn different language. What my timeline currently is C, C++, and then I'll touch up on Java and the whole Java applications and whatnot. Maybe do some Swift, which is mobile applications if you guys want. C Sharp, Python. It's still up there. I don't really know what I want to go further in after the whole C and C++ program tutorials. But I'll leave that up to you guys. Uh, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit that notification bell to be notified of my future videos. And remember, stay nerdy.